You want to try these questions and put your answers in the comment section below. This is the question we want to try. Now, if AB equals to 10, BC is 20, CA is 30, find A plus B plus C. Multiply the three equations together. That will be AB, you bracket it, BC, you bracket it, and also CA, you bracket it. And it's going to be 10 times 20 times 30. Now, when you have this, don't forget that we have two a's in the air. That's 2 square, b square, c square equals to 6,000 when you multiply all together. So let's continue. We have ABC in the bracket of square equals to 6,000. When you have this, what are we going to do? We are going to square root both sides so that you can remove the square. Now we have square root of ABC or bracket equals to square root of 600. ABC will be equals to 20 root 15. Now we continue. When you say 20 root 15, it is going to be our ABC. So the formula for A is A equals to ABC over BC, where your BC is 20. So 20 we cancel 20, we have 15. Now we go to 2, that's our ABC equals to AC or CA. Add 20 root 15 all over 30. So 0 we cancel 0, we have 2 root 15 over 3. Then we go to C. If you want to do C, C equals to ABC, AB over AB. Now let's move, we have ABC equals to 20 root 15 all over 10. 0 cancels 0. We have 2 root 15 as your final answer for that one. So we know our A, B, and C. Don't forget, we want to add A, B, and C together. So let's do it together, scholars. So our A has been given as root 15. Don't forget, root 15 plus 2 root 15 over 3 plus 2 root 15. 2 root 15, that's your C. Now, let's proceed. I want us to look at it like this. It's going to be LCM will be 3. So let's make it nice. So root 15 plus 2 root 15 over 3 plus root 2 root 15 over 1. LCM there is 3. So let's root our line. We have 3. 3 goes in, 1 is 3. 3 root 15 plus 3 goes in 3, 1. 2 root 15 plus 3 times 2, 6. 6 root 15. Now, when you come here, add all the external together. We have 11 root 15 all over 3. That is your answer. That is, it is our A plus B plus C. Now, let's go to another question. And this is the question 6, 15, and 10. Let's solve A plus B plus C. Now, when you have AB equals to 6, BC equals to 15, CA is 10. Now, A plus B plus C is going to be, you multiply the three equations together, just like how we did the first one. So it's going to be AB into bracket, BC into bracket, CA into bracket equals to 6 times 15 times 10. So when you have this, is a square. You can see A, we have 2A square, B square, C square equals to 8,000 if you multiply it together. So we have A, B, C all in the bracket square 8,000. Scholars, the next thing to do is to square root both sides. Square root both sides so that we can remove this square and put our ABC as the subject. So it's going to be ABC, square roots. This we cancel each other and we have square root of 8,000. So this one is ABC stands out because squares cancel square root and we equals to 20 root 20. Don't forget that 8,000 is 20 times 20 times 20. So we have the double root. We have 20 root 20. So since ABC is 20 root 20, A will be equals to ABC over BC. Don't forget our BC is equal to, our ABC is 20 root 20 and our BC is 15. So you cancel 3 goes, 5 goes here, 3, 5 goes here, 4. 4 root 20 over 3. Now let's move to B. Now we forget to get A, B, C all over CA or AC, any of the two. 20 root 20 divided by 10. So 0 cancel 0. We have 2 root 20. Now let's go to C. To C formula is going to be ABC all over AB. So 20 root 20. Don't forget 20 root 20 all over 6. So let's cut it. We have 2 goes here, 3. 2 goes here, 10. 2 goes in 20, 10. So we have 10 root 20 over 3. Don't forget, next thing is addition. So put the sum A plus B plus C together. Let's do it together. Once our value is gotten, we have 4 root 20 plus 2 root 20 plus 3, you can see 10 root 20 over 3. So let's get the LCM. There is 3. LCM is 3 because 3 commons. We have 4 root 20 plus 6 root 20 plus 10 root 20. Now let's add it together. We have 20 root 20, 20 root 20 all over 3. That is our final answer. Correct. Let's go to the third question before you try your own. We have our AB to be 12, BC is 18, and also CA is 8. Find A, B, C. A plus B plus C. Don't forget, first thing to do is to multiply the 3 equations. AB, BC, and CA. Put them in brackets equals to 12 times 18 times 8. So when you have this together, we have A square. You can see there are double, you see there, A square, B square, C square equals to 1,728. If you times it together, 1,728. So we have ABC all square, don't forget, equals to 1,728. Now, let's go and do it square both sides so that we can remove the square and put ABC as our subjects. So you square root 1728. And ABC equals to 12 times 12 times 12 is going to be 12 root 12. Now ABC is equal to 12 root 12. Now A equals to ABC over BC equals to 12 root 12 over, what's our BC? Now our BC here is 18. Let's cut it. What can go? 6 can go here. 3, 6 can go here, 2. We have 2 root 12 over 3. Now let's go to our B. B will be equals to A plus B, ABC, CA over CA. So it's going to be 12 root 12 all over, what's our CA? 8. So we can cut it like 4. 4 here, 2, 4 in up, 3. We have 3 root 12 over 2. Let's go to C. ABC over AB. Now, when you have this, you have 12 root 12 over 12. 12 cancel 12. So we have root 12. Now, we are going to add all the A, B, C together. Let's do it together. So we have A plus B plus C. When you have it, we have, what's our A? Let's go and check. We have this. Don't forget, when you have this equation, the LCM is 6. 6 goes in 3, 2. 2 times 2, 4 root 12. Plus 6 goes into 3, 3 times 3, 9 root 12 plus this is 6 root 12. Now, when you have this, add this together, we have what is called 19 root 12 over 6. Is that wonderful? That is wonderful, scholars. So let's try this on your own. You can pause it and pick the question and try it.
Subscribe to my channel.